Let's see this example. If rupees 782 be divided into 3 parts proportional to 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4, then find the first part. Now they are giving the ratio in terms of fractions. So like this. Now the ratio is given as 1 by 2 is to 2 by 3 is to 3 by 4. This is how they have given the ratios. Now the problem with this is we don't deal with the fractions, right? So how to convert, see, we can convert the fractions into normal numbers by multiplying all the 3 with some common multiple of 2, 3 and 4. See, I want to avoid the fraction, therefore I have to find out a common multiple of 2, 3 and 4 and I have to multiply it. Now by doing so, we don't actually affect the ratio. Why? The reason is, you can observe this. Let us say we have x is to y is to z, right? Now if I multiply all these 3 with a, then I get ax is to ay is to az, which is still equivalent to x and x is to y is to z. Therefore, as long as you multiply these 3 numbers with a common number, the final ratio doesn't change, right? So what we can do is, I want to eliminate the fractions, so I'll take a common multiple of these 3 and I multiply these 3 with that number. It is better you take least common multiple. Now what is the least common multiple of 2, 3 and 4? It is 12. So I'll take 12 and I multiply all these 3 fractions. Now if I multiply this one with 12, I am going to get 6. This one with 12, I am going to get 8. This one with 12, I am going to get 9. Therefore, this ratio is as good as this ratio. Both are equivalent, right? Which means even if you divide this sum in this ratio or in this ratio, all the 3 are going to be equal finally. Got it? Okay. Now how to do this? So 6 and 8 and 9 are given. Now we want to find out how much does the one with 6 parts get. So how to find it out? Total amount is 782. Now out of 782, he is going to get 6 by total is 23. Got it? So the answer is going to be 204, right? Or other way of doing it is 23 parts is equivalent to 782. Then how many parts is 6 parts equivalent to? How much is 6 parts equivalent to? You will get 204. So you can do that. Okay. Next question is, in a bag there are coins of 25 paisa, 10 paisa and 5 paisa, which means they are saying that in a bag there are 3 types of coins. So one type of coins are all 25 paisa, and other type of coins are all 10 paisa, and the other type of coins are all 5 paisa, right? And they are in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is to 3. So what does it mean? If you assume that the number of coins of 25 paisa are x, then this will be twice that number and this will be thrice that number. Got it? And now if the entire amount, see, if there are rupees 30 in all, which means the entire bag is containing 30 rupees, then how many 5 paisa are present there? So how to solve it is, you might have to guess the number of 25 paisa coins present, and then this one present, and then this one present, and now multiply 25 into number of coins of 25 types. That will give you the amount contributed by 25 paisa coins. And again multiply 10 pice with the number of 10 pice present in it. That will give you the amount contributed by 10 pice, right? Similarly, you have to multiply 5 pice with the number of 5 pice coins present in it. In order to solve it, I want to assume that the number of 25 paisa present is x. If I assume that this is x, then what will be this? Since it is 2 times, it should be 2x. Since it is 3 times, it should be 3x, right? Now again, if you find out the ratio of 25 is to 10 is to 5, then I get 1 is to 2 is to 3. Therefore, our assumption is right. I can assume that there are x coins of 25 paisa, 2x coins of 10 paisa, 3x coins of 5 paisa. Now they are saying that all of this put together is going to contribute 30 rupees, right? Now how to solve it is, so the amount contributed by 25 paisa coins is x into 25 pice, plus the amount contributed by 10 pice coins is 2x into 10 pice, plus the amount contributed by 5 pice coins is 3x into 5 pice. Now this is going to be equal to 30 rupees. But since this entire expression is giving us answer in paisa, I cannot write the 30 rupees. I want to convert rupees into paisa. So I can write 30 rupees as 3000 paisa. Right? Now we can cancel out all the pies. then you are going to get the value of x. Now if you try to compute the value of x, it is 25x plus 20x plus 15x equal to 3000, right? So 25 plus 15 40, 40 plus 20 is 60. So 60x is 3000. Now how much is it going to be? X is going to be 50, right? So since x is going to be 50, the question is about how many 5 paise coins are there. 5 paise coins are going to be 3x. So 3x is 150. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into university is better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.